Hello everyone, welcome to the vlog. This cinematic video was shot on my camcorder and of the new year. Enjoy!
Real damn track.
We were supposed to go skating here, but unfortunately we needed a guardian or somebody above 18 years old to sign a waiver. So instead, we left and went to explore the city. Even though things didn't go as planned, and as always, I always like to have a plan and have a set thing for what to do, but it doesn't always work out, and sometimes wandering around the city with your friends and doing nothing and having your feet hurt after walking aimlessly around for a couple hours is just as fun.
That's for my vlog. I better video call you on my phone. Do you have big deck energy, Juliana? Are you showing some big deck energy right now? Yeah.
My New Year's resolution for 2025 is to take things slow little by little every day and enjoy the present moment. Sometimes it can be so easy to get swept up and away by the demands of the future that we forget who's around us and what's around us. It's been hard to keep this mindset even now as I'm recording this in February. Same old bad habits take control as always, but reminding yourself every once in a while to be grateful for your now and not worry so much about what's to come can be helpful and inspiring.
Masha in the wild, tying her shoe for the 24th time. Natalie, how are you feeling right now in the new year? I'm very tired. So real. Guys, how are you feeling in the new year? Great, amazing.
Depressed.
How are you feeling in the new year? Shitty. How are you feeling in the new year? That's I'm feeling, yeah, so real.
I thought you were just gonna be like, oh well, that's everybody. My mom would like. Look at the
Spending time with friends over New Year's and Christmas was so fun. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next one.